Hello there, my name is Maggie and welcome to my beauty log. Today I want to share with you my beauty resolutions for this year. I have 10 resolutions that I want to really work on this year, 10 things that I want to completely own, and I want to share them with you. Let me know your beauty resolutions. If you have any, let me know down below. I'd love to hear them. Number 1, drink more water. Very specifically, I want to drink 100 ounces of water a day. I want to accomplish this by using my Baker water bottle. This I got last year, and I think it is 32 ounces. So I figured if I drink at least 4 of these, then I should be good for the whole day. For the whole day. So I kind of broke it down into morning, afternoon, or morning, noon, afternoon, and evening. So each, I broke down my day into quads basically, or quarters, and I figured each one in a quarter will get me there. So this water bottle is not sponsored or anything, but this water bottle is one of my favorites. It is a glass bottle, and it does have this very thick sleeve to protect the glass, but I have a hard time drinking from metal containers. I really love my hydro flask, but I really can taste the metal, especially when, I don't know, I can just taste the metal. So I really liked this glass container. It also has on the lid, you can get a lip balm. So this is a lip balm. It's really cool. You can change the colors of the sleeve here, and you can change the lip gloss types. I like this one by Baker. The brand's name is BKR. The second one is one that I started already. It is to do a skin detox day, one day of the week. So I wear makeup every day, all day of every day. I put my makeup on at 8 in the morning, and I do not remove it until 10 at night when I'm going to go to sleep or going to lay down. That makeup is sitting on my face all day. So I decided that one day of the week I would go makeup less, no makeup. For me, that's going to have to be on a Saturday or Sunday, because I do work in sales and I sort of need to look professional and put together every day. So yeah, but yes, so one day of the week, no makeup, a skin detox day. Number 3 is doing a skin treatment once a month. And this is going to be a little bit of a luxury, but I'm really excited about it. My skin treatment for this month of January was actually a whole week of detox, no makeup the whole week. And I shared that video last time, how it went. I really enjoyed it in terms of how my skin was afterward. I obviously didn't enjoy it during, but it actually wasn't too bad. Once a month, I'm going to give myself a beauty treatment. So maybe like I'm going to get a facial or something once a month. I don't know. I don't have them planned out yet, but yeah, that's the plan for this year. Number 4 is to do my manicures and pedicures at home. I'm really excited about this. So last year I went and got my nails done every month, and to tell you how much it tore up my nails, I would be here all day. My nails are so brittle, so thin. They chip easily now. They're so bad. So I decided that this whole year I was going to do my manicure at home. I bought a few things. I'll share with you when that haul comes in, but I'm going to share with you everything. I found this beauty channel on YouTube. I'll link her as well. I think her name is Jessica. She does her own manicures, and it inspired me. So this whole year I'm going to do my own nails all year. Number 5, I am going to train my hair to only wash it once a week. I know. I have very fine, thin hair. I have a lot of hair, but it is thin, so it gets oily very quickly, and I have to learn how to train it. Basically, training your hair is going longer to minimize the washing. However that looks for you. If you want to train your hair to only wash it every other day, or every 3 days, or every 4 days. I used to do 4 days. Now I'm going to try to bump that to a whole week I know, I'm a little nervous. I have a good system down now that I'm actually going to share with you next week on how to train my hair. You wouldn't believe it, but this is 5-day hair. So I think that I'm doing a pretty good job with that. Number 6, and please don't judge me on this one, but number 6 is properly removing my makeup every night and doing my whole skincare routine. So I honestly was not doing this before. I would just wash my face with a regular cleanser, and I wasn't properly removing my makeup first and then washing my face. And then now I have a whole nighttime routine, which I'm actually really excited about. And so I take the extra time at night because it's pretty exciting to put on all of my serums and everything. So if you want a routine on that, let me know. I'm still perfecting it, but let me know if you'd like to see that. Number 7 is to do a spa night every week. For me, it's going to be on Sunday nights where I can just unwind, let go of the week, start the new week. And yeah, so every Sunday night, I'm going to be doing my spa Sunday, where maybe I do my nails, I put on a facial, maybe I do whatever it is, maybe a bubble bath. I don't know what it'll look like, but every Sunday night, I want to have a spa night in some sense of the word or of the way. So yeah, I have noticed that when I neglect my my pamper routine, or when I neglect putting on like face masks, I notice that I'm just neglecting. I notice that I'm in some kind of funk. So that is going to really help me to look at my life and see if I'm in a funk, because when I'm in a funk, I don't want to do anything for myself. I don't even care. So that's kind of like a mental health check as well. Number 8 is to go as much as I can vegan/clean makeup. In terms of all of my makeup, going to the vegan and clean makeup. It is really hard because they don't have like the best products in all these categories, or in all the categories for those products, because I have some skin concerns, but I'm gonna try. So I have already started switching like my foundation, certain products. I'm gonna start switching my lipstick, which is actually really hard because I love lipsticks, and lipsticks to me, I don't know, that one's probably gonna be the hardest. But lipsticks and mascaras, because I need those to do certain things. But anyways, I'm gonna start switching that out. Wish me luck. But let me know if you have any recommendations down below as well, because I'd love to hear them. I am not going to throw anything away that I've purchased. I'm just not that type of person. But I am going to be more careful and diligent in purchasing new things and making sure that they are clean makeup and vegan and cruelty free. Number 9. Wait. Yes, because that was number 8. Number 9 is that I want to do a lash growth serum every week on my lashes. I have noticed such a difference. I've been doing this diligently since maybe right before Christmas, a lash growth serum every night. It's part of my whole routine. And I have noticed such a difference in the strength of my lashes. So not really in the growth. I've always had long lashes, but they've always been very thin that you couldn't tell they were long. Now I'm noticing that those lashes are a little bit like fatter, which I'm very excited about. So yes, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. Let me know if you have any recommendations for your lash serums, if you have any. And the last thing is, and I'm really excited about it, to continue uploading YouTube videos every week. I decided to throw this in my beauty goals because this is a part of the beauty is to upload beauty videos every week to YouTube. I'm having such a fun time doing it, and yeah, I want to continue that, sharing what I'm going through, and building a community on YouTube. I know for a minute there the YouTube community was, you know, toxic and chaotic, but I sort of stay away from all that, to be honest. So the YouTubers that I follow never were like the toxic-y dramatic ones, or the ones that were like in each other's business and stuff. So I never really paid attention to that, and I never hardly go to like the comment section of YouTube videos, so I never like experienced that. But I do know that the YouTube community has been toxic. I want to continue building a YouTube community or beauty community on YouTube that is honest and open and empowering for women and men. Yeah, I want to continue building up this YouTube community, so I hope that you will join me in this community. Share and like my videos, subscribe, because I really would appreciate that. Alrighty, well, that is it. Those are my 10 beauty resolutions for the whole year. Let me know what yours are down below. I would love to see them and support you in them in any way that I can. And stay tuned next week for my hair care routine. And also, I'm going to be uploading an extra video in between each weekly video. So you may get 2 videos a week from me. The ones are going to be tried and true reviews for some mascaras that I have. So you'll see a lot more from me. But anyways, I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you stay a while and watch some other videos. And I will chat with you soon. Bye.